Uptown Swing, level 1, 8 count.
Hannah.
Peter. This is the second to last week. We did so much stuff we're gonna show you right now. Started with a review of this double turn, rock, step, triple step, double turn. And then we added a double turn the other way. Double turn. You could do a circle and do the whole thing over again like so. Boop, bop, ba-ba-dee, bop, boop, bop, double turn. We're gonna show you what else we did after that double turn. We got a double turn and we got more options. Last week's option was rock, step, triple step, psych. I catch the arm and I'm like, psych, don't say psych. And then rock, step, I catch the back, catch, and we keep on turning. Watch that again. Hey, ha, ha. Hannah keeps turning, she fixes her arm, no big whoop, we're all good. And then we tried swinging out, not just from here, but from open, back to open. Swinging out open, open. For followers.
We're gonna stay all in one piece with our body. We're not gonna split it up. That would look like this.
No.
That makes things really hard. We don't wanna do that. All one piece.
All right, remember to face your leader so you're catchable.
Jedi heart connection.
And leaders, your solo work is this. If you can do this, it's really good practice. At home, you'll probably be like, yeah, no problem, teach. Ba, ba, ba. And then just imagine Hannah flying off into space and yanking back. You make it smaller, smaller, small. And we'll see you next week.